Okay, our material today is about gaming. Okay, now from Unit 3, we have learned about Unit 1, Unit 2, and now Unit 3 about gaming. Okay, now we have warm up. So, our brainstorming about this material, gaming. Okay, we have four. First, do you play video games? Number two, what are your favorite games or where do you play? And who do you play with? And the last, can you get addicted to video games? Okay, now I want you, Grace, to start it first. Grace, can you start it now?
Number one.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't play game anymore. So, but I used to play Mobile Legend a lot.
Oh, so now you vacuum for Mobile Legend?
No,
Oh, you don't play Mobile Legend anymore?
yeah,
Why?
I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it. So you don't have any
Yes,
favorite video games?
no,
Oh, so something like Roblox, Free Fire, PUBG, you don't like something like that?
no,
Ah, okay, so you don't like video game. So
yeah.
how about who did you play with last time?
What?
In the
Number?
last time you played
Oh,
game, who did you play
uh,
with?
kapan terakhir ya?
Who? Sama siapa nih?
Oh, my friends.
With your friends?
Yeah,
So you play together with your friends, yeah?
yes, sir.
So how about the last question? Can you get addicted to video games?
Eh, maksudnya can you?
Bisa ketagihan nggak main video game?
Yeah, sure. Well, I was so excited, so it said I couldn't study, and my parents were mad at
Oh,
me.
your parent reminds you to not play games too much, yeah?
Yeah, yes,
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Grace.
yes, sir.
Okay, next, how about Zahra? Do you play video games, Zahra?
Yes, sir.
So, what are your favorite games?
My favorite games is Roblox.
Roblox. So, where do you play
Yeah.
it? In laptop, phone, or any smartphone?
In tablets.
In your tablet? Oh,
Yes.
so who do you play with?
My best friend.
So you play Roblox with your best friend.
Yeah.
So how about why do you like Roblox?
Because it's fun.
Because it's fun, yeah? Okay,
Yes.
how about can you get addicted to video games?
Yes.
Why? Why do you think that?
Uh, karena game-game itu seru. Jadi kayak bisa bikin kecanduan.
Oh, because it is so fun and it can be addicted for you, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, okay, thank you very much, Zahra.
Yes.
Okay, okay, that is about the brainstorming about this question, four question. And now we will take a look at these pictures. So here are four pictures or image. From the first, like a man, and the second, a woman, and then a woman get F score, and the last, a man with score or report card. He wants to tire. Mau menyobeknya. Okay, now I want you to look at this image and invent a story to connect all four image. Okay, I want you this spare into two part. From the first picture and the second pictures will be described by Grace, and picture number three and number four will be described by Zahra. So Zahra will continue the story of Grace. Do you understand?
Yeah, Captain.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Zahra. Okay. Okay, Grace, do you want to start it now or you want to make a sentence first?
Yeah, no. Sekarang aja.
Okay.
The first image or the first. picture saw a child being sold as collect for playing a game.
And
This
then,
and the second image show a child focus or every focus on a game.
okay, that's all.
Yeah, so
Okay, now what the first picture, the child scolded by her or his parents about playing video game. And the
yeah.
second, like a girl addicted with game. Okay, thank you very much, Grace. And now, Zahra, can you continue to picture number three and number four?
Number three, picture show a child with bad grades.
Because of what do you think it?
Because because um, because of playing games.
Okay, because playing game. And then the last picture.
And the last picture, same sama kayak nomor tiga juga.
So this is like it is like in the test she gets F, and then the final test or in the report card, all of the score shows that C
Yeah.
or remedy. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Zahra. Okay, thank you very much, Zahra and Grace, for describing this picture. Okay, now let's continue to the next. We have here. Match its word or phrase to its correct definitions. So here we have nine vocabularies, and then you have to find the definition here. So here game console, mental health, anxiety, multiply, multiplayer, and then put away, cut down, frequency, and potential. So now I want you to connect it from the number one until number nine to the alphabet A until I. Oke, who wants to try? Ada yang mau mencoba?
Nom bebas nomornya ya.
Bebas, it feels free to choose ya.
Hmm. I want to try number two
Number two, okay, mental health.
with A.
A,
Yeah,
can you read
condition of
the
person. The condition of a person mind.
condition of person mind? So number two, the answer is A. That is correct. Okay, good job, Grace. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Grace. And then what's number? Ada yang mau mencoba nomor berapa lagi nih?
I try number one
Number
is
one,
H.
H or
Yeah,
H ya.
yeah, H.
Can you read the definition?
An electric device used to play video games.
An electric device used to play video games. All right, the answer is H. Okay, good job, Zahra. And then next, who wants to try?
I want to try number three.
Number three, okay.
Uh, Number two with J I B C D E J I B C D E F G G. Sorry,
G,
sir. Z
anxiety.
Z.
G, like
Yeah.
this. Can you
The
read the
state.
definition?
Yeah, the state of feeling nervous that something bad will happen.
Okay, good job. So anxiety, the meaning is the state of feeling nervous that something bad will happen. All right, good job, Grace.
So
And then, what's number? We have number one, two, three. We have number four, five, six, seven, eight until nine. Okay, multiple, multiplayer, put away, cut down,
I
frequency,
have
and
a
potential.
question. I have a question caption.
Okay,
It's number four and number five. What is apa perbedaan? Perbedaan apa?
the difference ya between multiple and multiplayer ya.
Yes, sir.
Multiple and multiplayer. So the difference between multiple or multiplayer. Okay.
Yeah.
Zara, do you know the difference? So Chris, because Chris doesn't know about the difference. Zahra, do you know about the difference? Zahra tahu nggak nih
No.
perbedaannya between multiple and multiplayer? So here, multiple, the meaning is many. It is count like more than one, multiple. It can be two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, ten. More than one, yeah. So it is many number, not only one. How about multiplayer? So multiplayer is someone who play game with more than one people. It can be two, three, four, five in playing something. Do you understand, Grace?
Yes, sir.
All
Thank you.
right. Okay, my pleasure. All right. Wants to try? Number four, five, six, seven, eight, or nine. It feels free to choose. Tidak perlu takut salah ya, karena bakal dibantu sama Cap di sini. Zahra, you want to try?
I want to try answer number 4.
Number four. Okay, please.
D. Many in
M-
number.
Multiple. The answer is D. Correct. Many in number. So multiple is many in number. Jumlah banyak dari angka. Not only one ya, more than one ya, Zahra.
Yes.
All
Yes.
right. Good job, Zahra. Thank you very much. Okay.
Uh,
Again.
I want to try
Okay, Grace.
five.
Okay, number five.
With IBC.
C. Can you read the definition?
Used for computer games where many people can play against each other.
Okay, the answer is C. That is correct. Multiplayer. The answer is C. Used for computer games where many people can play against each other. Jadi sebuah permainan yang bisa dimainkan orang untuk melawan satu sama lain. Alright. And then next number six, seven, eight,
A.
and nine.
B.
Siapa? Who wants to try? Zahra, you want to try?
Number 6.
Number six.
Itu
The
di
answer is
A.
A. A is
Yeah. E.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
I.
I. So, what's number?
6.
Number six. Put away. Can you read the definition?
Put something in its correct place.
All right, put away. The answer is correct. I. Good job, Zahra. Put something in its correct place. All right, now we have three left. Ada tiga nih yang masih belum. Seven, eight, and nine. Who wants to
I
try?
want to try eight.
Number eight. Okay, please.
With C. Kok C? Bentar.
See,
Oh,
udah dijawab nih.
number number seven aja deh.
Number seven. All right.
With B.
Cut down. The answer is B. What is this? Can you read the definition?
You or use something less.
Do or use something less. Number seven. The answer is B. Correct. Okay, good job, Grace. Now we have two left. Tinggal dua nih. What's number?
Oh, number eight tadi deh. I want to try.
Number eight.
Yeah,
All right.
with A, B, C, D, E. E.
E. All right. So number eight. The answer is E. Correct.
Yeah.
Can you read the definition?
How often something happens?
How often something happens. Alright, seberapa sering sesuatu terjadi. Frekuensi. Alright, good job. Now the last.
Jar.
The last. So, Zahra, you want to try or Grace, you want to try? Siapa nih? The last. So, the answer is so clear. Apa nih? Okay, Zahra, you want to try or Grace? Or me?
Answer number 9 is F.
F. Can you read the definition?
The possibility that something that can happen or be developed.
The possibility that something that can be happen or be developed. Potential. That is correct. The answer is F. Kemungkinan sesuatu dapat terjadi atau berkembang. Alright. Good job, Grace and Zahra. You have done the part A. Okay, that is the part A of vocabulary. Match its word with the definition. Okay, so this is the language tips. The prefix multi means by many can be followed by a noun or an adjective. So multi, the meaning is more than one. Many, banyak ya, not only one. All right, now we will continue to the next. We will have here. This is the, okay, let me make it bigger again. Okay, can you see it all? Kelihatan nggak? Atau samar-samar? Can you see it clear? Kelihatan jelas nggak?
Yeah, get.
Okay, so now I want you to fulfill this, fill the blank with the vocabulary that we have matched with the definition. Okay, number one here we have the example. There is huge potential for video games to be used more in education. Okay, that is the answer number one. So the number one, the answer is potential. Now we have to mencoret potential. Now we have 8 left. Ada 8 lagi nih. Who wants to try number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9?
I
Okay,
want to
Grace, you
try
want to try?
number three. Yeah,
Number
number three.
number 3. All right, Grace, please.
There is so much anxiety. Bacanya gimana?
Anxiety
Anxiety.
ya. Anxiety. You understand, Grace?
Apa?
Anxiety.
Ah, nggak tahu jadinya.
Anxiety. So you can read much, yeah.
Anxiety.
Too
There is
much.
too much anxiety around taking exam. I get really stressed before all of them.
All
Of
right,
them.
so the answer is anxiety ya. Anxiety. Oh, this so big. Gede banget nih. I will number three. Okay. Karena terlalu besar ya, I will use that number. Anxiety. Okay, so the answer for number three is anxiety. Correct, benar banget. Alright, now let's move to the next. Who wants to try?
I want to try answer number 2.
Number two. Okay, please.
Which game console is best, the PlayStation or the Xbox?
Number two. Which blah 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 is the best, the PlayStation or the Xbox? So the answer is game console number one, right, Zahra?
Yes.
Okay, that is correct. Number two, the answer is game console number one. All right, good job. Okay, welcome Aska to the class. Selamat datang ya Aska di kelas. Oke Aska, kali ini kita akan belajar. Oh, ada satu lagi menambah. Aska dan Mutia. Welcome Aska and Mutia. Now, sekarang kita sudah sampai di part 2. Fill the blank with the vocabulary. Ini di atas adalah vocabulary-nya dan kita akan mencocokkan dengan paragraf, dengan kalimat yang ada di bawah sini. Okay, now we have number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So for the vocabulary, first we have game console, number two, mental health, number three, anxiety, number four, multiply, number five, multiplier, number six, put away, number seven, cut down, number eight, frequency, and last potential. Nah, yang dicoret ini berarti sudah masuk ke dalam jawaban. Now you have to answer the last number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, please, Aska, Mutia, Zahra, Grace. You can continue to the next.
I want to try number 8, sir.
Number 8. Okay, please.
Wait, wait. Uh, this answer apa ya? Multiplayer?
The answer
Multiplayer.
is
Yes,
multiplayer.
multiplayer. Yeah,
Multiplayer. Yeah, that is correct. The answer is multiplayer. We have number 5. Can you read it all of the sentence, Grace?
yeah.
Okay, please.
Playing football games in multiplayer made it so much better than playing against the computer.
All right, good job, Grace. That is correct. Number 8, the answer is multiplayer. Number 5. Okay, next, want to try? Or Aska, Mutia, you want to try? Oke, di sini saya akan mencoba untuk menggabung-gabungkan lagi ya. Karena tadi ada yang belum mengetahui mungkin.
Number
Berapa ini?
4,
Number 4.
with multiple.
So, number 4, the answer is
Multiple.
multiple.
Uh,
Number 4. Can you read all of the sentence, Aska?
okay. Driving too fast can result in multiple vehicle accidents on highway.
All right, good job. So, number 4, the answer is multiple. Thank you very much, Aska. That is correct answer. Okay, so here number 4, the answer is multiple. Also number 4. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left. Tinggal 4 nih. It feels free to choose. Number
I
5,
want to
6.
try. Okay.
Number, what's
I
number?
want to try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, nomor itu apa ya? Number 5.
Number 5, number 5, please.
This answer cut down,
Cut down ya.
cut.
Cut down
Sorry.
on. Can you read it all, Chris?
It would be better, better ya,
Better ya.
better for the F bacanya gimana? Environment, and
Environment ya. Environment.
environment if we cut down the amounts of red meat we ate.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. That is perfect. Betul. It's okay. It is correct. So, number 5, the answer is number 7. Cut down ya. Cut down ya. Number 5. That
Okay.
is correct. Benar banget, Grace. Good job, Grace. Thank you very much, Grace, for answering number 5. Cut down. Okay. Oke, semuanya you don't have to feel worry about anything ya. Tidak perlu khawatir karena di sini kita akan belajar bersama-sama ya. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3. 3 left. Mental health, put away, and frequency.
Number 7,
Number
frequency.
7. Can you read the full sentence?
The frequency of trains where I live could be better. There's only one every half hour.
Every hour. Okay, number 7. The answer is frequency. All right, good job. That is correct. The answer is frequency. The frequency of trains where I live could be better. There is only one every hour. All right, good job, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska. Okay, now we have 2 left. Tinggal 2 nih. Number 6 and number 9.
Number 9,
Number 9,
its answer is mental health.
mental health. Can you read the full sentence?
Teenagers should be allowed to talk openly about mental health and any emotional problems.
All right, teenagers should be allowed to talk openly about mental health and any emotional problems. The answer is mental health. That is correct, Zahra. Good job, Zahra. The answer is 2. Okay, the last. How about Mutia? Mutia, you want to try the last? Mutia? Mutia, can you listen to my voice? Mutia. Oke, sepertinya Mutia masih ada kendala koneksi. Oke, who wants to try number six, the last? My room is so messy. I should probably blah 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 my things after I've used them. So the answer is who wants
I
to try?
want to try this.
Okay, please, Grace.
This answer number it's answer put away.
Put away. Number six. The answer is put away. Also number six. All right. The answer is correct. Six. Okay. Good job, Grace. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone who tries this one. Okay. This is from part B. Number one, huge potential. Number two, number with game console. Number three, with anxiety. Number four, multiple. Number seven, cut down. Number six, put away. Number seven, frequency. Number five, multiplier. And number nine, mental health. Okay, that is for this section. Now let's continue to the next section. We have here reading prediction. Okay, now this is for reading the prediction. But now this is number three. You're going to read article called Can You Play Video Games Get You Better Grades at School? And what do you think the article will tell you? Number one, playing lots of video games will improve your grades in some subjects. And number two, playing more video games will improve your grades in certain situations. And number three, playing certain types of video games is better for girls than boys. So I want to read the here this I'm sorry, this article. You can open your PDF ya yang saya share tadi that I have shared. You have to open it and please read the article in paragraph number 1 until 8 and you have to find the answer here and then I want you to answer this reading comprehension also true, false or not given. So please I will give you time 5 minutes ya. It is fine 5 minutes. Grace, Zahra, Asta, Mutia, is it okay? 5 minutes or 10 minutes? 5 minutes ya.
Okay.
Alright. Oke, please silahkan ya. Silahkan dibaca di smartphone kalian. Okay, everyone, have you done read this article? And can you find the answer? Okay, Grace, Zahra, Aska, you want to try? All right, now we will discuss about this prediction. So, what do you think about the article will tell you? So, which one? Number one, two, or three? The answer is only one here, like lots
Number
of video
2,
games. So, can you read the full sentence, Grace?
playing more video games will improve your grades in certain situation.
Certain, yes, certain situations. So the answer is number two, correct. Playing more video games will improve your grades in certain situations. Jadi bermain video games berdasarkan dari artikel itu akan meningkatkan nilai kamu di situasi tertentu. Okay, so here we have the answer is two. Okay, now we will move to the reading comprehension. So here in reading comprehension, we have 1 until 6. So for the example here, number one, doing more math and science at school can improve gaming performance. So the answer is true, false, or not given. So I will spare into three, yeah, because there are six. It will be spare into Grace will be number one and number two, Zahra number three, number four, and Aska number five and number six. Is it okay, Zahra, Aska, and Grace? Okay, please silakan yang mau menjawab duluan. It feels free to answer ya. And don't afraid to false. Jangan terlalu to be false. It's okay. Bebas. Tidak perlu merasa takut salah ya.
I want to try number 1 and 2.
Number one and number two. Number two. Okay, please.
This answer number 1 not not given.
So the answer number one is NG, not given. That is correct. Benar banget ya. Jawabannya adalah NG. How about number two?
And number 2 uh true. True. True.
True.
Ya, benar.
Number
True.
two, the answer is two. True.
Ya,
Playing video games increase stress level. Bermain video game meningkatkan level stres.
yes. Ya,
Is it true or false, Grace?
true. True.
Benar.
True. Ya.
So here the answer is false ya. Jawabannya
Oh,
salah. Karena berdasarkan bacaannya di situ, ada paragraph in paragraph 2, playing video games result in lower levels of anxiety. Anxiety is also similar with stress ya. Ada bermain video games menunjukkan in lower levels of anxiety dapat menurunkan tingkat kecemasan. Jadi bisa menurunkan ya.
ah,
Increase itu menaik, how about decrease itu menurun. So, playing video games increase stress levels. The answer is false ya.
oh,
Alright,
ya.
good job, Grace. Thank you very much for trying number one and number two.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have number three, four, five, and six. Alright, Zahra, Aska, you want to try? Number three, young people need to play for at least an hour a day to benefit. And number four, not gaming every day is important. And number five, it's better to play by yourself than with friends. Number six, girls tend to play video games less than boys. Okay, so who wants to try? Mau coba yang mana nih?
Number 3,
Number three,
Itu true.
young people need to play for at least an hour a day to benefit. Number three, the answer is apa tadi Zahra?
True.
True. So here the answer is false ya.
Hmm.
Itu ada di paragraf ketiga. Gamers only get this advantage if teenagers play for no more than an hour a day. Kalau at least tuh minimal ya. At least an hour a day. So, tapi di sini tidak harus main minimal 1 jam ya, tapi maksimal. Di sini kan ada for no more than an hour, tidak lebih dari 1 jam. Do you get it, Zahra?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good job. So the answer is false. Oke, mungkin ini agak sedikit sulit ya, a little bit hard. Oke, number four, Zahra.
Number 4 is false.
Number four, not gaming every day is important. So based on the article, you can read in paragraph 3 and 4 that state that have at least 1 day a week when they put their consoles away and do different activities. Jadi, not gaming every day is important. Tapi di situ dibilang kalau bukan seminggu ya, bukan every day ya, tapi adalah seminggu. Jadi,
Hmm.
number four jawabannya apa? Tadi Zara?
False.
False. Di sini jawabannya harusnya adalah true ya.
Hmm.
Jadi adalah 1 day a week, not on every day ya. Oke, Zara. Thank you very much, Zara, for trying number three and number four.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you can keep trying going on. Okay, now we have Aska. You want to try number 5 and 6, Aska?
Uh, Number 5, false.
It's better to play by yourself than with friends. The answer is
Uh, False.
false. Number 5, the answer is true ya. Jawabannya adalah true. Karena kok bisa true sih? Di situ ada di paragraf 4, students only benefit from playing single player
Oh
games
iya.
rather than multiplayer online games. Jadi lebih baik bermain sendiri. Apa ini namanya? Students only benefit from playing single player games rather than multiplayer online games ya. Do you get it, Aska?
Uh,
And then
Number 6. Wait.
number 6, girls tend to play video games less than boys. You can see in paragraph 5. You can find it in paragraph 5 ya. So, the answer is apa nih?
Uh, Second.
Girls tend to
False.
play video games less than boys. Anak perempuan bermain video games lebih sedikit daripada anak laki-laki. The answer is, jadi anak perempuan mainnya lebih sedikit daripada anak laki-laki. The answer is apa?
True.
True. The answer is true. Benar banget ya, jawabannya adalah true. Karena di paragraf 5 itu ada girls gamers also limit the time they spend playing video games. Jadi di situ ada pemain perempuan itu membatasi waktunya ya. Oke. Eh, di sini ada adzan, bisa kita istirahat sebentar ya.
Okay, Captain.
Oke. Oke, sambil menunggu bisa dibaca yang bagian focus on language ya, word building here. Okay, now everyone will continue to the next. Focus on language, word building. So look at the words here in the tab, and then we use noun, adjective, and adverb. So I want you to find how to move noun to adjective and then to adverb. For the example here, we have help. It can be healthy in adjective, and in adverb, it can be healthily. Okay, now in the noun number one, two, three, we have anxiety, frequency, and potential. Now I will spend number one will be Aska, number two, Zahra, and number three, Grace. Okay, who wants to try it first? Number one, Aska, number two, Zahra, and number three, Grace. Okay, who wants to try it first? Jadi di sini adalah merubah dari noun, kata benda, menjadi adjective, kata sifat, dan adverb, kata keterangan. Jadi noun, health, itu adalah kesehatan, menjadi healthy, adjective, sehat, menjadi sehat, and adverb, healthy, jadi kata keterangan, secara sehat. Jadi kalian harus merubah anxiety, frequency, potential menjadi kata sifat, adjective, and adverb, kata keterangan. Oke, please, who wants to try? Ada yang mencoba di sini dulu?
I want to try number
So, Grace,
potential.
number three, potential. Okay, please.
Adjektifnya potential.
And the noun, potential. And then, how about the adjective?
Potential.
The adjective is also potential. Potential. All right. And then,
Adverbnya potential.
for
Potentially.
the adverb, the meaning is potentially. All right, potentially. So, do you know what is the meaning this, Grace?
Apa?
Artinya potential, and potentially.
No, wait.
Okay.
Potential kan?
Potential, and potentially. Okay, Zahra, Aska, you wanna try?
I want to try number two.
Number two, okay.
Adjektifnya frequent.
Frequency. So here the noun frequency, and then the adjective. Can you read it again? Gimana?
Frequent.
Frequency. All right, like this.
Adverbnya frequently.
And then from the adverb is frequent. Okay. Do you know the meaning of this, Zahra?
Frequent itu sering.
Sering.
Frequently itu dengan sering.
Dengan sering atau secara sering. Alright, good job, Zahra. Oke, Grace, gimana tadi, Grace?
This meaning potential is mungkin, maybe, or maybe, and adverb potential itu artinya kemungkinan.
Kemungkinan atau bisa berpotensi juga bisa ya. Secara berpotensi gitu ya. Alright, good job, Grace. And then number one, Aska, you wanna try? Aska, you wanna try number one? Okay, we have number one left. Tinggal nomor satu nih.
Anxiety ya.
Anxiety ya?
Anxiety.
Okay, anxiety.
Anxious.
The noun
Anxious.
is anxiety. And then the adjective is
Anxious.
anxious. All right.
Yeah,
And
anxious.
then the adverb,
Uh, Anxiously.
Anxiously. All right, the answer is correct. Now, how about the meaning in Indonesian, Aska?
Anxious itu
Anxious.
apa ya? Gelisah, cemas,
And jika anxiety gelisah, berarti kalau anxious tadi anxious artinya
gelisah
gelisah atau cemas. Alright. And then on the adverb anxiously
dengan cemas.
dengan cemas atau dengan gelisah. Alright, that is correct, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska, Zahra, and Grace. Okay, that is for the word building, noun, adjective, and adverb. Okay, now let's move to the next here. We have here, complete this correct with proposition. So as you can see here, people are playing multiplayer games in, at, or with, blah, 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 increasing frequency. Number two, my parents get anxious about, of, or with the amount of time I spend on my game console. And number three, the video game industry is one that has potential to, for, or with growth. So here we will answer it together ya. Di sini kita akan menjawab bersama-sama ya untuk di sesi satu ini. Untuk number one, people are playing multiplayer games with. The answer is with dengan increasing frequency dengan keseringan yang meningkat. And then number two, my parents get very anxious gelisah about tentang. So the answer is about the amount of time I spend on my game console. Jadi orang tuanya agak cemas karena about the amount of time tentang jumlah waktu yang dihabiskan untuk bermain game. And the last year, the video game industry is one that has potential for growth untuk tumbuh. Jadi industri video game itu adalah yang memiliki potensi untuk tumbuh. Okay, do you have any questions here? If you have no question, we'll continue to the next. Ada pertanyaan sampai sini? Oke, nggak ada ya. Oke, karena tadi waktunya mulainya lebih 10 atau 15 menit, kita akan mengakhirinya lebih dari 10 dan 15 menit juga ya. Oke, now let's continue to the next. Here, we have listening. Listen to three teenagers speaking about when they play computers. Alright, let me reshare screen ya. Share the audio. Okay, now I will share the audio. So here, I want you to read here. So here ada J, Emily, and Otto. So di sini akan saya bagi ya biar semuanya kebagian. Jadi untuk yang ini juga ada pertanyaan di sini. Oke, di sini ada J, Emily, dan Otto. Oke, now I want you to answer this one aja ya. Di sini ada J, Emily, dan Otto. Di sini ada pertanyaan fill the blank. You have to fulfill this blank. J akan dijawab oleh Zahra, Emily akan dijawab oleh Grace, and Otto akan dijawab oleh Aska. Do you understand, Grace, Zahra, Aska? Do you get it?
Yeah, I have a
Oke,
question.
ya.
Jadi ngejawabnya ini gimana?
Dijawabnya
Dengan
ini the
ya,
statement about J, Emily. Di sini ada nggak ya? Oh, nggak ada ya. Jadi di sini nanti ada listening section. Jadi nanti ada listening sectionnya ya. Ini nanti ada listeningnya. Jadi kalian harus mendengarkan yang mana nih kira-kira jawabannya. You know that Jay doesn't like computer games because he says he is not really blah 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 them. Paham nggak kira-kira?
ya oke.
Oke, jadi di situ ada jawabannya. Ada jawabannya untuk J, ada untuk Emily, dan juga ada Otto. So, seperti ini. Now read the statement about Jay, Emily, and Otto and complete them with a word or phrase that You hear. Jadi yang kalian dengar nih. Do you understand, Grace, Zara, and Aska?
Ya, sure.
Oke,
So,
oke. Are you ready? Okay, now I will play. Oke, jika kalian nggak bisa baca, kalian bisa open the PDF ya. Bisa dibuka PDF yang sudah saya share. Oke, now let me start it.
I'm not really into computer games. We don't even have a TV in our house. My family loves the outdoors. You're more likely to find me on a bike halfway up a mountain than in a dark room shooting random zombies. Doing that too often can't be great for your mental health. I'm not saying I don't enjoy playing them sometimes, like when I'm visiting friends or my cousins. One of my cousins got a virtual reality headset, which is pretty cool, but I just prefer to do other things. And because I only play them once or twice a year, I'm terrible at them too, and I always lose or get killed after a few seconds, which isn't that much fun.
To be honest, you can't get me away from a screen most of the time. Me and my brother and sister sit down together after school every day and spend a couple of hours playing lots of different games. Maybe we should cut down on the time we spend on them, but they're so much fun, and the graphics are so good these days that it's like you're in the game. The best thing is playing other people in multiplayer games, either online or with my brother and sister if they are around. I'm really into programming as well, and I'd love to be a game designer when I'm older. I'd like to create some kind of real-time strategy game. That'd be so cool. I've already looked into a few degrees that I could study at university when I leave school.
Yeah, I play video games when I get the chance. I have a couple of game consoles, but I don't play on them as much as I used to. When I was a bit younger, I remember I'd be begging my mom for more screen time. I'd be shouting, "Just one more game," but she'd always say, "That's enough, put it away now." It was probably for the best, and she never let me play on weekdays. I suppose I'm just so busy with loads of other stuff now. It's an important year at school, and I always have homework too. I still like to play racing games for an hour or so now and again, or maybe a football game, but I just use the computer as an opponent. I can't be bothered with playing people online. I usually keep it for weekends, like a rainy Sunday afternoon when I'm bored and alone.
Alright, that is about the listening. Do you get the answer? Udah dapat jawabannya belum? Gimana Grace, Zahra, Aska? Oke, gimana Grace, Zahra, Aska?
Belum, Captain. Sorry.
Belum ya?
Okay,
Yes,
I got
Belum.
sir.
clear.
One more time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now I will repeat it again ya. Okay.
I'm not really into computer games. We don't even have a TV in our house. My family loves the outdoors. You're more likely to find me on a bike halfway up a mountain than in a dark room shooting random zombies. Doing that too often can't be great for your mental health. I'm not saying I don't enjoy playing them sometimes, like when I'm visiting friends or my cousins. One of my cousins got a virtual reality headset, which is pretty cool, but I just prefer to do other things. And because I only play them once or twice a year, I'm terrible at them too, and I always lose or get killed after a few seconds, which isn't that much fun.
To be honest, you can't get me away from a screen most of the time. Me and my brother and sister sit down together after school every day and spend a couple of hours playing lots of different games. Maybe we should cut down on the time we spend on them, but they're so much fun, and the graphics are so good these days that it's like you're in the game. The best thing is playing other people in multiplayer games, either online or with my brother and sister if they are around. I'm really into programming as well, and I'd love to be a game designer when I'm older. I'd like to create some kind of real-time strategy game. That'd be so cool. I've already looked into a few degrees that I could study at university when I leave school.
Yeah, I play video games when I get the chance. I have a couple of game consoles, but I don't play on them as much as I used to. When I was a bit younger, I remember I'd be begging my mom for more screen time. I'd be shouting, "Just one more game," but she'd always say, "That's enough, put it away now." It was probably for the best, and she never let me play on weekdays. I suppose I'm just so busy with loads of other stuff now. It's an important year at school, and I always have homework too. I still like to play racing games for an hour or so now and again, or maybe a football game, but I just use the computer as an opponent. I can't be bothered with playing people online. I usually keep it for weekends, like a rainy Sunday afternoon when I'm bored and alone.
Okay, do you get the answer? Chris, Zahra, and Aska?
Yes, sir.
Oke. So, tadi Zahra jadi siapa tadi Zahra?
J.
Zahra jadi J. Aska jadi siapa Aska? Oke. Emily is J is Zahra. And then Grace, who you are with? Grace, who you are?
Ya, Emily.
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 So this is Grace.
Oh,
And then
ya.
Otto. Otto is Aska. Okay, now we will start from Zahra ya. Okay, Zahra. Okay, please Zahra.
Number one, you know that Jay doesn't not like computer games because he say he's not really into them.
He is not really into them. Okay, the answer is into. Correct. Okay, and then number two.
It sounds like Jay prefer other activities to computer game and think firing at zombies on a screen is a bit strange.
Okay, it sounds like Jay prefers other activities to computer games and things firing at blah 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 things on a screen is bit strange. It can be zombie or random things, yeah.
Yes.
Random things, right? And then number three.
However, Jay does things virtual reality is interesting, so he does not have computer.
All right, great. The answer is virtual reality. Okay, good job, Zara. This is correct. Thank you very much, Zara, for trying this one.
Thank you, sir.
All right, that is correct. Good job. Okay, now let's move to the number two, Emily. Grace, please.
Aku belum dapat jawabannya. Aku
Oh,
nggak
okay.
paham.
Nggak paham ya tadi. Okay, you wanna try or we will discuss it together, Grace?
What? Apa?
You want to discuss it together or you want to try to answer?
Artinya, Sir.
Oh, mau didiskusiin bareng-bareng atau mau jawab, coba jawab?
Diskusi aja.
Okay, we will discuss it together ya.
Yes.
All right, now from the first, Emily said that Emily thinks the blah 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 in today's video games look very real. So number one, the answer is graphics atau grafik ya.
Kan
Grafik, jadi
benar.
nggak grafik. Udah benar. Kalau takut jawab sih, nggak usah takut jawab sebenarnya. Don't be afraid, it's okay ya. Tidak perlu takut karena nggak ada yang mukul di sini. It's okay. Okay, you wanna try number two, Grace?
No, lanjut aja, Sir.
Okay, okay. So, number two, Emily doesn't only play games, she likes blah 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 too. So, the answer is programming. Jadi tadi Emily tidak hanya suka bermain gamenya, tapi dia juga suka programming. Jadi programmer.
Yes.
Okay, and then number three, she thinks it would be interesting to make a blah 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 game when she is at university. The answer is strategy. The answer is strategy. Strategy. All right, this is the answer here. Okay, Emily says that first graphic, number two programming, and number three strategy. Okay, now let's move to number three, Otto. Aska, you want to try to answer, Aska?
Nggak nemu cap.
Oh, you don't find it ya?
Dapat.
Oke, mungkin ini agak susah ya. Oke. Okay, now we will discuss it together. So in the first year, Otto, Otto does other things on blah 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 as he is not allowed to play video games. So number one is Otto does other things on weekday. The answer is weekday. Oke, mohon maaf ya, banyak sekali gangguan di sini. Saya baru pindah di sini sebentar. Okay. Now, although there's other things on weekday, as he not all to play video games. Jadi pada waktu hari masuk kerja, Senin sampai Jumat biasanya tidak dia izinkan untuk bermain video game. Number two, even if Otto was blah 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 his mom to play, she'd never let him. Jadi begging. Jawabannya adalah begging atau memohon. So the answer is begging. Alright, for the last year, we can see here. Otto isn't interested finding and blah 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 to play against online. So the answer is opponent. The answer is opponent atau lawan ya. Oke. Jadi di sini actually you can find the audio ya. This is the answer here. Actually you can find the audio here with the QR code. Jadi di sini ada QR code yang udah ada di bacaannya. You can scan it and you can try to listen the audio ya. Jadi bisa banget nih buat belajar. Dan actually here you can see the transcript. You can see the transcript actually. Jay, Emily, and Otto. You can see like here what are really into the here you can see here actually random shooting random zombies actually zombies random and then Emily blah 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 like this. Okay, actually you can do this to study. Okay, this is about the listening part. Okay, now let's continue to the next. We have here role play. You are going to take the role of either Jay, Emily, or Otto. Discuss your opinion of the video games and tell either how often you play, why you like or don't like game. Okay, now we have three cards here. Jay, Emily, and Otto. Okay, this is the last section, yeah. Now we have card 1 J, card 2 Emily, card 3 Otto. So the first card J, you don't like computer games very much. You prefer playing outdoors. Number 2, Emily, you love playing game. Your parents are always telling you to turn off your computer. So this is you have to read it. And then third, Otto, you like computer games but don't play them every day. They are there. You think they are there for when you are bored and are not out with your friends or having finished your homework. Okay, now I want you to share your opinion about who you being ya, siapa kamu mau menjadi. Okay, Grace, Zahra, and Aska. So here I will start from Jay. Jay will be Grace, and then because Grace doesn't like playing game ya, and then Emily will be Aska, and then Otto will be Zahra. Oke, do you get my point? Kalian paham nggak sama penjelasannya Cap di sini?
Jadi maksudnya apa, Sa?
So, the meaning is, jadi kalian harus membuat kayak presentasi atau bikin sharing tentang opini kalian, your opinion about this. Misal Grace number one, dapat J ya. You don't like computer games very much, you prefer playing others. Jadi kamu tidak suka main game, kamu lebih suka main di luar, and you always do your homework and don't think playing video games can help you with your grade at school. Jadi kamu lebih suka mengerjakan PR dan berpikir kalau main game itu nggak membantu apa-apa ya di sekolah. You do like the idea, however, or virtual reality and meeting other people in virtual worlds. Jadi kayak gitu. Do you understand, Grace?
Ya,
Paham ya? Oke, Zahra, Aska, you have question? Nggak ada pertanyaan? Oke. Oke, time is yours. Please, silakan ya dicoba here. I will give you time 2 minutes to try. 2 menit ya. It feels free to share. Have you done? Udah ada yang selesai? Or who wants to try share your opinion? Ada yang mau mencoba untuk nge-share opininya terlebih dahulu?
Harus pakai Inggris ya?
Actually, yes.
Oke.
Or it can be mixed ya. Bisa boleh banget di mix ya. It not should full English ya.
Oh,
It should not be full English. It can be mixed ya. Bisa di mix. Boleh banget di mix kok. Jadi not full English, it's okay, but not full Indonesian ya. Okay, Aska, you want to try it first, Aska? Aska, can you hear my voice, Aska?
Yang lain dulu kan?
Gimana? Yang Emily, kamu jadi Emily ya. You love game and your parents always telling you. Nah, ini menurut pendapat kamu sendiri gimana? Your opinion about this one?
Okay, I think uh, he has potential in game. It's okay.
Mhm.
Uh, but balance it in school.
Oh, it's okay to playing game and we have to balance with game and the school ya.
Yeah,
So you have to make it clear within which time to play game and which time to study and do homework ya. That's all, Aska?
yeah, it's
All
all.
right. Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Aska. This is good opinion. Thank you very much, Aska. Okay, next. Grace or Zahra, you want to try?
bisa ulang nggak jawaban Askanya? Aku masih bingung
Jawabannya
untuk
Aska.
jawab.
Untuk jawaban Aska itu tadi, nggak apa-apa. It's okay to play video game. Jadi nggak apa-apa main video game, but you have to make it balance between playing video games and study or school. Jadi harus membuat setara antara bermain video games dan sekolah atau pekerjaan sekolah. Something like that. You get it?
Oke, thank you.
Okay, please. Zahra, you want to try it first, Zahra?
I want to try answer.
Okay,
Likes game but only plays on weekends.
so you want to play game only for weekend, yeah?
Yes.
Why don't play at weekday, on weekday?
Because um karena mengganggu.
Oh, it will mm, annoy your activity.
Yes.
It will disturb your activity.
Yes.
Okay, so it is okay to play game on weekend, yeah?
Yes. We can.
All right, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Zahra, for trying this one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I want to try.
Okay, Grace, please.
I don't like playing games because I prefer to find out things I don't know in my studies.
Okay, can
That's
you repeat that again?
I don't like playing games because I prefer to find out things I don't know in my studies. Yeah,
Oh, so you don't like playing game, yeah? So you prefer
yeah,
to go out in outdoor activity, yeah?
yeah, sir.
because playing game is not good for your study.
Yeah.
All right, that's all, Grace.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Grace, for trying this one. Okay, that is for role play with this card. Okay, now that's all about the material today. Itu adalah materi hari ini tentang gaming. Okay, thank you very much for joining this class ya. Alright, now after here we will take pictures together. Kita akan ada take picture together.